Hey everyone, I just got some homeschool curriculum in the mail, which is always a good day. It's like Christmas in July, or I guess August now. I love getting curriculum. I love opening them up, and I thought it'd be fun to do it with you guys. So this is my christianbooks.com curriculum order. It's 4 boxes out of 6 that I believe are coming, but I just couldn't wait for the other 2 boxes to come. I had to open these. So when those other ones come, I'll open them up and just add them to the end of this video. Most of the curriculum that we're going to be using in the upcoming school year is from BJU Press, and so when that curriculum arrives, I'll do a BJU Press unboxing as well. But anything else that we're not using, or anything else that we're using that's not BJU Press, I just went and ordered from christianbooks.com. If you are wondering, I don't know if you can see in the camera, but if you're just wondering, why does Janelle have this like lump there under her shirt? This is my heart monitor that I am wearing for 30 days after I had the stroke. So if you don't know anything about the fact that I had a stroke and you want to know what on earth happened and what was going on, I did do a health update video, and I will link that here in this video down below in the description if you want to check that out. But that's what this is right here, keeping track of what my heart is doing. Okay, well, let's jump in with the unboxing. I have one box right here in front of me, and let's see what we got in here. Okay, the first thing in here is the Introduction to Logic from Master Books. This is the teacher guide. I actually already have the textbook, the student textbook, for my 9th grader to use, but I needed a new teacher guide because it's the teacher guide that has the worksheets in it, and we already used the worksheets. My 2 other kids that have done this course already wrote in the worksheets. So I got a new teacher's guide / worksheet book for my son, Introduction to Logic. So that will be a fun course. I taught that a couple years ago in a co-op setting, and it was so much fun. We're not doing it in a co-op. My son's gonna kind of do it a little bit more independently, but I'm gonna bring in some of the fun stuff that we did in the co-op. I'll try to incorporate into that. But anyways, that was the first thing. Okay, this next stack is really heavy. This is not grass material. Let me see, it says Exploring World History. So I'm just gonna open this up. Let's see, who is taking Exploring World History? Have to think this through. My 11th grader is doing Exploring World History from Knotgrass. We used all Knotgrass history last year and loved it. This year, my 7th grader, 9th grader, and 11th grader are using Knotgrass history. And just so you know here, this box is empty, so I'm just gonna move it over. So Exploring World History, it looks like this is volume 1 of the book. Then we have volume 2 here. And this is kind of like, it's called In Their Words, so it's original documents, speeches, poems, and stories from world history that goes along with it. So I am really excited about that. Okay, on to the next box. All right, let's see what we got in this one. Take that off. This box is pretty beat up. Let me just show you. It's already like ripped open. So took a beating in the mail. All right, first up, it looks like we have From Adam to Us, the lesson review book. This is what my, let me get this straight, 7th grader is doing. So last year she did Uncle Sam and You from Knotgrass. This year she is doing From Adam to Us, which is like world history. So that's the workbook. We also have Exploring World History student workbook. So this, I'm guessing, is for my high schooler, the workbook or student review book that she needs. I'm gonna open it up because I just love flipping through them. So let's see what we got here. So this is the student review book. And okay, so there's questions in here. So that's what she's gonna work through. I'm gonna set that over there in her pile. Then we also have the Exploring World History Guide for Parents, an answer key, and the quiz and exam book. So I'm gonna try to sort these as I'm opening them up so that we can get them a little organized for each kid. So let me see. Let's see, this was for my 7th grader. We'll put that over here. That was for my 9th grader. Put that over there. All right, next up is Matthew C. This is pre-algebra. This is going to be for my 9th grader. We love Matthew C. I actually have a video on why I love Matthew C. I've got some blog posts about Matthew C. if you want to know why we love Matthew C. If we're not using Matthew C, we're using BJU Press Math. So this upcoming school year, I'll have 2 kids using BJU Press Math because that has worked wonderfully for them, and 3 kids using Matthew C because that's what fits those kids better. So we have the student workbook here, and I'm going to open this up. This is like the student pack, so it has the student workbook as well as the tests in here. Okay, so here is the workbook, and here are the tests. Yeah, so that would be great. That's for my 9th grader, so I'll put that in his pile there. And then I also had to get the DVD and the instruction manual because even though I've already had one child work all the way through Matthew C from, alpha, one of the very first levels, all the way through, gosh, I think she went to calculus using Matthew C. We had a lot of the older editions. That was the older editions that we had in high school. And so over the years, I've had to slowly buy the newer edition because I need it to match up with the workbook. So I went ahead and got the instruction manual and the DVD for pre-algebra as well. Last thing in this box is another Matthew C textbook. It looks like this is Algebra 2. So that would be for my junior. And I just needed the student workbook and test because I already have the instruction manual and DVDs for this. So we just needed the student stuff. So I will put that in my juniors pile, and we got another box done. So I'm going to toss that over there, and we got another one right here. First, oh my gosh, this is heavy. First up, is this big stack right here from Knotgrass, and this is Exploring World Geography. I'm using this with my 9th grader. Again, we are just loving Uncle Sam and You history curriculum. Absolutely loving it. So excited to use it again this year with 3 of my kids. My 2nd grader and 4th grader are going to be using BJU history, but the older kids will be using Knotgrass. So this is Exploring Geography, the first volume there. So set that down. This is volume 2. And this is Exploring World Geography. This is their, all right, I actually don't know what this is. So let's open it up and look inside. Okay, I am seeing maps and facts and flags about the different countries. So that's what this looks like in here. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm excited. These are nice hardbound books, and they always have beautiful pictures in them. So I've really been happy with Knotgrass. All right, let's see what else we got in here. This is the World Geography Student Pack. So it has the review book in here. And let me see if I can get this off. And we will see what we got in here. So this is the student review book. I'll show you inside what it looks like. So it's just got questions in it for the different chapters, and they would answer them in a notebook or orally. This is the quiz and exam book and the guide for parents with the answer key. All right, we're done with box number 3, so I got one more to go. here. Okay, more knot grass. And this is all that's in this book, is this gigantic stack of From Adam to Us. So let me open it up and show you what's inside. I'm trying to think what else I have coming. I think there might be some more math you see in the next few boxes that I have left to come. And what else? Oh, my daughter's Bible stuff that she's doing. So when those come, I'll unbox them and show you. We toss that over there. Set this down. So this is From Adam to Us, Volume 1. And I'm going to show you inside just because I want you to see. It is just so pretty. It's just, they just have such wonderful textbooks. They're just so nice to look at. Okay, so that's Volume 1. This is our creative world. It says, stories, poems, document art and architecture from world history. I'll show you inside while I'm here as well. Now let's see what else we got. So I just love all the pictures. These are just great books. I feel like I don't ever want to get rid of them because they would be great just to keep up on my shelf and to flip through every now and then. Okay, so here's From Adam to Us, Volume 2. And yeah, great pictures. Oh, I just pinched my finger in the book. Not good. Okay, I gotta get a drink of water here. I'm getting thirsty. Okay, last couple things in here. From Adam to Us. This is the map book, and so they'll be doing map work in here. So I love that. That is something that I am really bad at, is geography and map work. So something that I want my kids to be better than I am in, and of course I love learning along with them. It also comes with a, oh, does it go this way? No, this way. Timeline. Must flip up this way. Let's see if I'm right. Yes, a timeline that they'll fill in. So I love that too. That is, I'm excited about that. And then this is the answer key and literature guide for me so that I can help her and know how to answer it, check her answers and all of that. All right, well, that is the unboxing so far, but keep watching because I'll unbox the other two when they arrive. All right, the last two packages of my christianbooks.com order came in, so I have them right here on the table next to me. Thought I'd open them up and share them with you. So first I have to get the pile of stuff that's on top of here off, and I'll just show you what is on top of my order. This is, I think it's this cross stitch. This is something that one of my daughters did. So I have them sitting here so I can go get them framed and hang them up in the house. And the other thing piled up here is this book, because I'm going through this again with my younger kids. Okay, so that had nothing to do with the order, but they're piled up here on the table, so I thought I'd share them with you. But the first box is here, so let's open it up. And I'm guessing, I think this is Matthew C. Yes, I was right. It is Matthew C. Zeta. It's the student workbook and the tests. And this is for my 7th grader. So that was what was in there. And then this is the last package. And I'm pretty sure this is, let me see if I can just rip it open. This is, I should have brought scissors up with me. I think this is the Bible for my junior. Okay, let's see if I can pull it out. It's like really sticky inside. Okay, here we go. Here we go. It's coming. That was an effort. All right, so this is what my 11th grader is going to be using for Bible, along with some other books that she's going to be reading in addition to that. So if you want to know what she's doing for 11th grade Bible, you can check that out over on my blog. I have my 11th grade curriculum choices, but this is Fundamentals of the Faith. This is the workbook that she'll be working through. I already have the teacher's guide, so I didn't need to order that. This is actually meant for adults to do in like a adult Sunday school class or small group or just one-on-one discipleship, but it is great. It's something that I want all of my kids to go through before they leave our home. So this is Fundamentals of the Faith. And then, like I said, I'm going to be adding in some different books that she's going to be reading as well. So you can check that out on my blog. Anyways, those are the last two items in my christianbooks.com order. My BJU Press order is slowly coming in. I think I have one more box that needs to arrive, and then I will do a BJU Press unboxing as well. Super excited about that order because we just love BJU Press curriculum, and so excited to be using a lot of that this upcoming school year. I'd also love to know what curriculum you are using in the upcoming school year, so leave that down in the comments below. It's always fun to just see what different families are doing. You know, there's just so many amazing curriculums out there for us to choose from, and I just love that because our kids are unique, our families are unique, and so it's neat to see the variety and what's working for different families. So share down in the comments. All right, you guys, I'll see you in the next video.